Hl3A Lumintop Hl3A LED torch 2800 lumens flashlight, torch with rechargeable battery. We bought this on Amazon, as we wanted a small torch to use while out with our drones at night. Here it is, the Lumintop LED flashlight. The box has two sections, as you can see. This is the Hl3A headlamp strap, which is made from silicone and is stretchy. Hl3A Lumintop Hl3A LED torch 2800 lumens flashlight. The on and off button, plus holding the button down brightens or dims the light.
Please like and leave a comment, and share this video.
The LED light is small and light. It has a solid aluminum design, with a rubber grip. Easy to turn on and off, or change the brightness with the button at the top, to a maximum of 2800 lumens. At the top, the strap is removable, and the headband isn't directional, so the light will go in either way.
Please like and leave a comment, and share this video.
It comes with one lithium-ion battery, but no charger. This is our outdoor test. With the size, the weight, and adjustable brightness, it looks like this flashlight or torch will be useful to us. We will report on how it operated in the coming months. Thanks for watching this unboxing video by the two boomers. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it to anyone you think might find this interesting.
Did you know that a male red kangaroo is called a boomer?